Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So what you have to do is just click on your profile at the upper left corner, select see all profiles, select your page, click professional tools, scroll down a little bit and click page access. Click add new, click next, then type the Facebook profile you want to add. If you want to give full access, just click here, select give access, enter your Facebook profile password and then click confirm. And it's done. You add the admin on Facebook page. And that's how you can add the admin on your Facebook page. So I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it is, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.